Murder case involving a Fulton County Sheriff's deputy will return to court tomorrow. Atlanta News First anchor Joe Gorcho is live outside the courthouse in Fulton County, where those deliberations will resume. Joe?
Blair, and if you recall, Alton Oliver rejected a plea deal from last November to serve life in prison. So now the fate rests in the hands of the jury to find out whether or not, if they want to decide if he's guilty on several charges including the murder of James Thomas. Closing arguments on Thursday, followed by jury deliberations in this trial. Alton Oliver faces a murder charge for shooting and killing a Fulton County deputy in 2022.
He was surveilling my clients. He was harassing my clients.
Defense attorneys built on Oliver's testimony from the day before when Oliver took the stand.
It was suspicious on how he pulled it, kind of spooked me on how he pulled up from behind.
James Thomas was off duty driving his personal car in the early morning hours by Bolton Road, where Oliver told the jury he was walking home from work.
Blurs out saying, "Get in, get in."
Oliver explained that Thomas allegedly drove by him multiple times, making unwelcome sexual advances, too explicit to share in this story. Oliver said he felt Thomas was demanding sex. By the third time, Thomas allegedly circled back toward Oliver, who says he then pulled out his gun and opened fire.
Fear.
What were you afraid of?
I was afraid that person was going to kill me, rob me, do anything to me.
Prosecutors pushed back against Oliver on the stand Wednesday.
I knew it was wrong to leave the scene, but I didn't leave the scene as far as trying to run or hide or anything. I just went home. I was focused on getting home. I didn't know the person had died.
The prosecution argues Oliver could have done something else first other than firing his weapon, and hitting on someone isn't a crime.
He's a predator and all this other nonsense meant to distract you from the truth that that man murdered James Thomas without justification. He admitted he never saw a gun and that was no threat.
He was soliciting my clients. The only person at the time those shots were fired who was violating the law was Mr. Thomas.
And jury deliberations, of course, will pick up again tomorrow as the jury continues to weigh all the testimony and all the evidence to then reach a verdict. Atlanta News First will be here in the morning when jury deliberations resume. Live from outside the Fulton County Courthouse, Joe Gorcho, Atlanta News First.